pizza, and that's that. Pizza. 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 Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Welcome to a brand new episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane. I have officially lost it in so many weeks of quarantine, and this is my son, Kyler. So today I am going to do a cook with me. Now, all the dishes that I'm making need the oven, so I don't anticipate me to finish all the dishes by the time Kyler wakes up like I did last time. By the way, I do want to make these 3 dishes by the time Kyler is napping. No, that doesn't make any sense. I want to make these 3 dishes while Kyler is napping. However, Kyler naps for about 45 minutes to an hour and a half, and I won't be able to finish the 3 dishes. But as long as the last dish is in the oven by the time he wakes up, I'm okay with that. So today, thank you. Today I am going to make potato pizza, chicken and corn glaze, I guess you can say. It's in my head, I really don't know what to call it, and brownies. Now, I did prep a little bit ahead of time. Like, I did roll out the pizza dough, so really it just needs the toppings to go on it. I figured you guys didn't want to see pizza dough rise or watch me like shape the pizza dough because it would be really boring. I also preheated my oven, so it's heating up right now, and my vegetables are right now soaking in baking soda because they have to be cleaned. Anyways, if you want to see if I actually accomplish everything by the time Kyler wakes up for his nap, please keep watching. And there you have it. Those are my 3 dishes that I made while Kyler was sleeping. So if you have any suggestions with what you want me to cook, and Kyler, your head is in the camera but you don't really care, if you have any suggestions, please let me know, or can you at least give me feedback with these cook with me's. The truth is they're very easy to edit when I edit at night and I'm extremely exhausted, and also it's just a lot easier to cook when my little guy is sleeping. All you mothers would know that. Anyways, I would appreciate that. I will also end the video here, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie, that's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here, or if you want to catch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye!